Weather is doing everywhere with Susan Powell. Susan.
Afternoon, Rita. Those hazards are going to be with us again through today, overnight, tonight, and indeed through the next couple of days as the cold will continue. It's making for some beautiful scenes, though. Our weather watchers have been sending us in some lovely landscapes. But the story first thing this morning certainly was one of the ice, and it will be the case again tomorrow. If anything, tonight a colder night still. Here we are at the moment on our satellite picture. You can make out the outline of the UK, and you can make out this spotty texture in the cloud. That is the showers basically feeding in on the northwesterly wind, and there's plenty more to come this afternoon across Scotland and Northern Ireland. I think they will thin out in the coming hours. It should get a bit quieter for the Northern Isles, but further south a line of showers will push across northern England into the Midlands and eventually towards East Anglia and the southeast of England. And we're just keeping a slightly close eye on this line of showers, because if they do turn a little heavier, we could see perhaps a sleety covering or a little bit more snow than the forecast is picking up at the moment. That may just cause some disruption to transport. The southeast, of course, just being very sensitive to that kind of wintry weather. Through the evening, though, and overnight, the wintry flurries continue, becoming confined to North Wales, parts of the Midlands, Northern Ireland and the west of Scotland still getting a few as well. Very cold night, -10, -11, -12 in the odd isolated spot in Scotland. Ice could be a risk just about anywhere for first thing on Wednesday. But the weather pattern itself is actually quite quiet. We sit in the cold air. We've got a northwesterly breeze, but it's not particularly strong. But it will still carry in a few more wintry showers to the north and west of Scotland, a few for Northern Ireland, perhaps a few across Wales, and just the chance of perhaps the odd heavier one clipping into Kent and parts of East Anglia for a time on Wednesday. But essentially a fine day, plenty of sunshine. Look out for some freezing fog, though, in one or two spots. Central Scotland looking like it could be favoured for that. If that lingers, it will hold temperatures back at around freezing. Thursday, pretty similar story. Another cold day, a lot of sunshine. Notice a slight change, though, by the afternoon coming into the northwest. Some more cloud, some snow on the leading edge of this weather front that will then start to bring some rain. And the key is in the nature of that front. It's a warm weather front, and it will slide across all parts for Friday daytime, taking us into this mass of air, if you like, which is sourced from the Atlantic. It's called a warm sector, and it does what it says on the tin. It will just bring us something a little bit milder for the end of the week. It could be quite cloudy. There could be some rain around, but temperatures will be back closer to average values. Enjoy that while you can, though. The weekend may start mild, but a cold northwesterly will start to cut in. It should brighten up once again with some sunshine around, but there will be further wintry showers. And guess what? It's going to be cold once again. Rita.
Susan, thank you.